Hi, everybody. Welcome again to a 2-minute or less session of a Torah thought. And now I would like to talk to you about the cause and effect that the detractors want to put on the Jewish belief in God, and said everything happened through a cause and effect, and therefore there is no God. For instance, like the 10 plagues. The first plague was the water turned to blood, and really it was actually red bacteria, and it gave the effect that it was blood. Or the second commandment plague was the fact that it was frogs that came out of the water en masse, and really what happened was the water became so full of pests that the frogs multiplied, and the dirt became kinum or lice, and it was they multiplied exceedingly, and that's why they attacked the people. And then the fourth one was Orov, a mixture of wild animals, right? And what they said that what happened was God, or they don't say God, but we know that God broke the food chain. In other words, the wild animals didn't have any small animals to eat. So therefore they ran to the cities and to the people, to the Egyptians, and they ate them because God had these plagues pronounced on those nasty Egyptians, who we saw the character of the Goyim, of the Egyptians, of Germans, and the evil Spanish people and the Inquisition. Thank you for your time, and may God speedily come with the Mashiach in our days.